Good morning everyone. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss next topic in Unit 1, Session 1, Unit 2, Session 1, that is objectives of pricing. Before it, I have discussed meaning of pricing, definition of pricing, some aspects in pricing. Next topic, important one, objectives of pricing. So it tells us what should be the objective before setting a price. So here it is written, survival is the basic objective of any business. As we know, every business wants to survive in the market. So survival is the basic objective of any business. In order to continue their existence, organizations may tolerate short-term losses. Short-term means छोटे time के लिए, short time के लिए means sometimes organizations can bear short-run losses, but to obtain working capital. Working capital, as we study this in accountancy, it is day to day money. Working capital for uninterrupted operations means बिना रुके operations. And sustainability, appropriate pricing. Appropriate means correct or right pricing for the product is very necessary. Yes, means for short term, छोटे time के लिए we can bear losses, but for long term, for survival of business in market, we must have correct pricing or accurate pricing of our product. Because if our prices are very high, customer will never purchase product from us. Similarly, if our prices are very low, then we will be unable to cover our cost. So pricing must be correct, it should be accurate, it should neither be too high nor too short, too less. Okay, so here objectives of pricing are as follows. Point 1, profitability objectives. Point 2, market related objectives. Point 3, public relation objectives. 3 objectives are there: profitability, market related, public relations. Profitability objectives again have 2 categories: target rate of return on investment, we can also say ROI, return on investment, on net sales. Second point B, profit maximization. So profitability objectives are 2: target rate of return on investment or net sales, and profit maximization. Market related objectives are 3: meeting or preventing competition in the market, maintaining or improving market share, price stabilization. Third, public relation objectives. Here are again 2 categories: enhancing public image of the firm, and second, resource mobilization. So I will discuss all 3 objectives: profitability, market, and public relation objectives one by one. Let's see first objective, profitability objectives. Profit means everyone wants to earn profit. So first, target rate of return on investment means आपको कितना रिटर्न मिल रहा है इन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स या सेल्स, नेट सेल्स आपकी कितनी है, डेट्स कॉल्ड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न. रिटर्न मीन्स कितना वापस आ रहा है आपका पैसा ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट गोल ऑफ प्राइसिंग पॉलिसी एंड ऑफ मैनी फर्म्स. In this, the price represents cost of production and profit margin. The basic objective is to build a price structure to provide sufficient rate of return on the investment or capital employed. Means आपने जितना पैसा लगाया, जितनी कैपिटल लगाई, जितना इन्वेस्ट किया, how much you are getting in return. So that's called rate of return on investment, ROI, rate of return on investment. Second objective, profit maximization. Yes, as we know, everywhere in every organization, profit maximization is the ultimate aim of any organization. Okay, so for economic, just see in the last statement, just see in the second statement. In economic theory, profit maximization is an important objective for any business for survival. Okay, every businessman wants to have profit maximization for long-term survival of firms. Second, so here are only profitability objectives, rate of return high चाहिए आपको, and profit maximization. Now market related objectives. First, meeting or preventing competition in the market. Yes, pricing must be so that you can be able to fight in your competition in the market. If your prices are very low, if your prices are very low, you yourself will not be able to sustain in the business because your cost will not be able to cover. But if your prices are very high, customer will never purchase from you. So For being in the competition in market, it is very important to have good price. So some firms adopt pricing policy to meet or prevent means रोकना, to stop competition in market. They are ready to fight their prices at a competitive level to meet competition in market. They even follow below cost pricing. Sometimes prices set pricing low than their cost also, that is charge less than the cost because they believe it will prevent new firms from entering the market, because वो प्राइस बहुत कम रख रहे हैं so that new firms cannot enter in the market. In this way they can prevent competition in the market. So pricing must be according to competition in the market. Second, maintaining or improving market share. Yes, every businessman wants to have good market share in market or business. So to maintain old share or improving old share, market share, it is very important to have accurate pricing. Market share is a meaningful measure of success. Yes, we can measure success of firm by market share. So market share is meaningful measure of success of a firm's marketing strategy. The price objective helps to maintain the market share, that is either to increase और समटाइम्स टू डिक्रीज. मार्केट शेयर से ही आप डिसाइड करते हो कि आपको प्राइस कैसे रखना है. प्राइस से आप डिसाइड करते हो कि मार्केट शेयर आपको कितना मिलेगा. ओके, कितनी मार्केट को आपने एक साथ गैदर करना है, कितनी मार्केट को एक साथ फोकस करना है. यू कैन ऑल्सो डन दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्राइस ऑब्जेक्टिव. थर्ड, प्राइस स्टेबलाइजेशन. yes, in an economy we may sometimes need price stabilization, means price को fix रखना. So price stabilization as an objective is prevalent, means important or popular in industries that have a price leader. For example, in oligopoly is that kind of market in which there are very few customers, in which there are very few sellers, not customers, sellers बहुत कम है, and they are selling unique products and branded products, like for example we can say automobiles, cars. So cars सब लोग नहीं बनाते. Same is written over here. There are only few seller, कुछ ही लोग होते हैं जो कार बनाते हैं, which follow one big seller who acts as the price leader. तो जहाँ पे price leader है, only that price leader can fix the price and few other sellers can also follow that price. That's called price stabilization. ओके, नो फर्म इज़ विलिंग टू एंगेज इन प्राइस वॉर. कोई भी फर्म प्राइस वॉर्स में एंगेज नहीं होती है. दे में इवन फॉरगो मैक्सिमाइजिंग प्रॉफिट्स इन टाइम्स ऑफ प्रेस्पेरिटी और शॉर्ट सप्लाई इन ऑर्डर टू स्टेबलाइज प्राइसेस. दिस इज बिकॉज प्राइस स्टेबिलिटी और स्टेबलाइजेशन हेल्प्स इन प्लान्ड एंड रेगुलर प्रोडक्शन इन लॉन्ग रन. ओके, simply you can learn in oligopoly, means when there are only few sellers of a particular product, for example automobile, car, bike. okay, इनके कम sellers हैं, so one leader can fix the price, another can also follow the same price because only few sellers are there. So that's price stabilization. Market related objectives. Last, third objectives, public relation objectives. Here are other two categories. Enhancing public image of firm. Yes, our pricing decides our image in the public. A company's public image is important to success. Yes, we know if our public image is better, we can get success. Every company has an identity representing what it has done to convey the public about its product. Package, trademark, brand name. Trademark is a IPR, intellectual property right. Brand is a logo, symbol, name, term. Employees and marketing programs. This image is deeply influenced by how the company handles the delicate and sharp weapon of pricing. Yes, every time if we are handling pricing properly, then only we can enhancing means improve, we can enhance or improve our public image of firm. If our pricing is not fixed, it's not fine, and customer will never come to us and we will lose our good image in the market. Last but not least, resource mobilization. Resources, as I have told many times, land, labor, capital, or we can say 5 M's. 5 M's are man, money, material, machinery, method. Mobilization means mobility. As we have mobile, we can take this mobile into any other place. So mobility means we can carry easily. So resource mobilization means the creating resources for either self development or reinvestment in firm. Prices are deliberately set high in certain cases to generate surplus for investment in the same firm or sister concerns. Example, petrol rates are kept very high. As it yields may generate a good surplus. Surplus means extra income, excess of income. Overspending because automobiles depend fully on पेट्रोल. यस, हम अपनी रिसोर्सेज को एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं, रिसोर्स को सेल्फ डेवलप कर सकते हैं और री इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, दैट्स रिसोर्स मोबिलाइजेशन. Okay, today I have discussed objectives of pricing. So here are three objectives: profitability, market related, public relations. Okay, this topic is done today. Thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in other videos. Just write them, learn this. It will be asked in your examination. It's an important one. Okay, thank you everyone.